Registered investment advisory firms usually don't receive commissions or other benefits. And as we just talked about, if they do, it needs to be disclosed. And if they don't disclose this receipt of commissions or other benefits, this is a fiduciary breach. They could be heavily fined by the SEC or the state they're registered with. They could have their registration terminated. They could be barred from the industry. So they take this very seriously. How do fee-only advisors get compensated? Well, they get compensated in one of three ways. The first being hourly is not very common, but it is done where you're paying your advisor an hourly rate, just like an attorney. You pay them X amount of dollars per hour. Usually in advance, they will tell you how many hours they believe it's going to take, and you just pay them on an hourly basis. The second way is on a flat fee basis, where you're hiring them to do a financial plan, and they have a standard planning process that they use and a package, so to speak, and they quote you a fee in advance of what that would be. And the third way that's the most common is known as a percentage of your portfolio, or sometimes assets under management relationship. And you might have heard of this as the proverbial 1%. So let's say your advisor is managing $1 million of your assets. The typical fee on that would be about 1%. So that would be the annual fee that you would be paying your advisor for this service. And a lot of times that is collected usually on a quarterly basis. Some advisors collect it monthly, but on a quarterly basis, you then pay your advisor. A lot of times it comes right out of the accounts that they're managing so that you don't have to write a check to them, but they're able to collect this fee. So